In this video, you'll learn about the CHR function in Python, which is a built-in function that is used to generate characters and numbers based on their Unicode. So this is a more computer science thing, but yeah, it's good to know that it exists. So if you refer to this Wikipedia page, you will see that basic Latin, whatever. So there is this decimal number, okay, which the computer understands because it's a number. Now this would be also converted to binary, which is the exact language that a computer understands. But long story short is each number of those is representing a letter or number. So for example, 71 is a capital G. 90, for example, is a capital Z. So basically this function in Python, you pass the Unicode number, which is this in the middle, the decimal Unicode number, and it tells you what is it. So if I passed 90, which we said in this case is a capital Z, right? Yep. So if I run this, we print the character. As you can see, we got a capital Z. Now, nothing fancy, it's really quick. Hope it helps you. Just, have a look at it. It's good to know. So yeah, thank you for watching and peace out.